Multi how.
Welcome to your tiny house water softening system. Interesting fact, this type of system was once known as an RV water softener, but in recent times has been renamed tiny house water softener. By me. Tim and Erica recently learned that their tiny house water softener system requires routine maintenance. So far it's the only maintenance requirement they've acknowledged, but, anticipating further revelations, they've decided to create a new short segment called Routine Maintenance Requirements We've Come to Know About, a series of comprehensive tutorials. So without further ado, let's begin Tutorial 1, Tiny House Water Softener Maintenance. Section 1. Cleaning the pre-filter. Step 1. Fill the blue bucket around halfway empty with warm water. Step 2. Conversely, fill a white bucket half full with warm, soapy water. 3. Close your main inline valve, marked with the letter A. 4. Open your kitchen faucet to drain the system. 5. Squirt some liquid detergent into a clean 32-ounce Burger King cup that you saved. 6. Open the red valve on your pre-filter to flush out its water into the Burger King cup. 7. Unscrew the clear cover of your pre-filter from its base. Use this monkey wrench. 8. Remove the screen filter and drop it into your Burger King cup to soak. Step 9. Clean all the pre-filter parts in the white bucket with a cleaning brush. 10. Rinse all the pre-filter parts in the blue bucket. 11. Reinstall the screen and screw the pre-filter cover into the base and shut the red valve. If you're like the millions of people who are like Tim and Erica, your tiny house water softener tank collects sedimentary minerals that settle at the bottom and should be flushed semi-annually. If your system is due a back flushing, begin here at Section 2. For routine monthly regeneration of your resin pellets, skip ahead to Section 3. Section 2. Back flushing. Step 12. Slide out your tiny house water softener tank to gain better access to the bits on top. 13. With jerky movements, tip the softener tank to clear some water from the top. 14. Using channel locks, unscrew both the inlet and outlet hose fittings on the tank. 15. Attach your blue supply hose to the outlet port of your tank. 16. Attach one end of your white garden hose to the inlet port of your tank. 17. Place the other end of your hose in your kitchen sink to drain. 18. Open your main valve and check all connecting points for leaks. 19. Let water run backwards through your tank for 30 minutes. 20. Shut the main inline valve A. 21. Using channel locks, unscrew both hoses. 22. Replace blue hose to inlet port. 23. Replace red hose to outlet port. 24. Open valve C. Section 3. Regeneration. Now let's empty a bit of water from the tank to make some room for salt. Step 25. Gingerly empty the blue bucket into your sink drain. 26. Get your clear vinyl siphon hose ready. 27. Pull out your large blue handled channel locks. 28. Open the top nut on the cap. 29. Place siphon hose 6 inches into tank. 30. Siphon some water from the tank into blue bucket. 31. Close the valve marked C from the red outlet hose. 32. Remove the red hose with channel locks. 33. Replace with your white hose. Let's add some salt. Step 34. Pour 3 to 4 boxes of salt into the tank. 35. Clean any excess salt from the plastic threads. 36. Replace the cap nut. Now it's time to purge the minerals released from our resin. Step 37. Place white hose in your sink. 38. Open valve A slightly. 39. Set timer for 15 minutes. 40. Let drain as a thin stream. 41. Open valve A completely. 42. Set timer 10 minutes. 43. Let drain full force. 44. Taste for salt. 45. Shut valve A. 46. Open faucet. 47. Wrap tank. 48. Remove white hose. 49. Replace red hose. 50. Shut faucet. 51. Open valve C. 52. Open valve A. 53. Vigilance. And we're done. Simple. No problem. Easy as pie. Now enjoy a cool, clear glass of softened water and that strange mirage of unrinsed soap when you wash up. Great work.